Welcome to TAO, your go-to source for the latest in technology, artificial intelligence, and business news. I'm Sarah, your knowledgeable guide through today's topics.
And I'm Mike, ready to dive into these stories with a curious mind. So Sarah, what's first on our list today?
First up, we've got some exciting news from Anysphere. They just secured a whopping $900 million in a funding round led by Thrive Capital, Andreessen Horowitz, and Excel Ventures.
Wow, that's impressive. What does this mean for their valuation?
Their valuation skyrocketed to $9 billion, up from $2.5 billion earlier this year. It's a testament to their rapid growth in the vibe coding category.
Vibe coding. That sounds intriguing. What exactly is that?
It's a new approach to coding that focuses on enhancing developer workflows with AI assistance, rather than replacing human engineers. Anysphere's platform, Cursor, has been a major player in this space, surpassing $300 million in annual recurring revenue just 2 years post-launch.
That's quite an achievement. Are there any competitors in this field?
Yes, they face competition from companies like Windsurf and other AI-assisted coding tools. It's a dynamic and evolving market.
Interesting developments. What's next?
Next, Google is rolling out its Gemini AI chatbot for kids under 13 through parent-supervised Family Link accounts.
That sounds like a great way to introduce AI to younger users. But are there any concerns?
Absolutely. Experts like Common Sense Media have raised concerns about emotional dependency, exposure to harmful content, and unsafe advice. Google is urging parents to guide their kids in critically evaluating AI responses.
It's important to balance innovation with safety, especially for younger users. What's our next topic?
Moving on, KOGO AI and Tech Mahindra have formed a global strategic alliance to co-develop enterprise AI solutions.
What are they focusing on specifically?
They're emphasizing private AI frameworks that prioritize autonomy, scalability, and regulatory compliance. Their applications are quite broad, covering sectors like banking, financial services, insurance, and healthcare.
Sounds like a powerful partnership. What's next on our list?
Up next, ideaForge Technology has received DGCA approval to offer a 5-day remote pilot certificate training for small drone pilots.
That's exciting. How many pilots are they aiming to train?
They aim to train 200 to 250 pilots annually, focusing on theory, hands-on handling, and safety protocols. This initiative supports India's 2030 vision to become a self-reliant global drone hub.
That's a significant step for the drone industry in India. What's our next topic?
Now let's talk about Anthropic. They're launching a voice mode for their Claude mobile app, allowing push-to-talk interactions with multiple voice options.
That sounds like a great feature. Are there any other developments from Anthropic?
Yes, they're also rolling out their first employee share buyback program, valuing the company at $61 billion. This move aims to bolster liquidity and retention amid the competitive AI talent landscape.
It's always fascinating to see how companies innovate and retain talent. What's next?
DeepSeek AI is being used by the Shenyang Aircraft Design Institute for complex warplane development tasks.
That's quite a high-tech application. Are there other industries adopting DeepSeek AI?
Definitely. It's also integrated into BMW vehicles and used in legal document drafting, healthcare applications, and general business operations. Plus, they're committed to releasing open-source tools.
It's amazing how versatile AI can be. What's our next topic?
Let's talk about Revelo. U.S. tech firms are increasingly using Latin American developers for post-training of large language models.
What makes Latin American developers a good choice for this?
They offer shared time zones, cost savings, and deep expertise in fine-tuning AI models. Revelo connects companies with vetted engineers and is actively acquiring competitors to scale up for rising demand.
That's a smart strategy. What's next on our list?
Duolingo is planning an AI-first pivot, eliminating human contractors for tasks like translation and content writing.
That could have significant implications for employment. What are the concerns?
Journalist Brian Merchant warns that this move could exacerbate unemployment among recent graduates and creative workers. It's seen as executive cost-cutting rather than an inevitable tech shift.
It's a delicate balance between innovation and employment. What's next?
Pinterest is enhancing its visual search with new AI-powered filters to find similar items in different styles or colors.
That sounds like a great way to improve user experience. Any other features?
Yes, they have visual language model suggestions that describe why a user might like a pin, focusing initially on fashion. Users can also activate visual search directly from the home feed.
It's exciting to see how AI is enhancing online shopping experiences. What's next?
Rork, a prompt-driven mobile app builder, went viral after an early investor's tweet generated $100K in 5 days.
That's an incredible story. How did this impact their funding?
It led to a $2.8 million seed round from A16Z's speedrun. They've achieved $550K in annual recurring revenue with just a 2-person team.
It's amazing what a single tweet can do. What's our next topic?
Anduril Industries is acquiring Klas, an Ireland-based tactical communications and drone control hardware provider.
How will this acquisition benefit Anduril?
They'll merge Klas's rugged comms hardware with Anduril's Lattice AI platform to bolster battlefield connectivity and autonomy. Klas will retain its facilities and expand manufacturing.
Sounds like a strategic move. What's next?
Representative Bill Foster is introducing a bipartisan bill to mandate location verification tech on advanced AI chips.
What's the purpose of this legislation?
It's aimed at curbing the smuggling of AI chips to unauthorized regions, notably China. It's a step towards ensuring technological security.
It's crucial to address these security concerns. What's our final topic?
Finally, Donald Trump shared an AI-generated image of himself as the Pope, which drew criticism from Cardinal Timothy Dolan and New York bishops.
That sounds controversial. What was the reaction?
They found it disrespectful, especially in the wake of Pope Francis's funeral. It's a reminder of the ethical considerations surrounding AI-generated content.
Indeed, AI can be a powerful tool, but it comes with responsibilities. That's all for today's topics.
Thanks for tuning in to TAO. We hope you enjoyed our deep dive into these fascinating stories.
Join us next time for more insights and discussions. Until then, take care.